So many YouTube creators share self-cut content. What about from pro hairdresser?
Yo, what's up everyone? If you're new, my name is Isaac. Are you nervous to self-cut? Let me share the 4 important knowledge you need to know before the self-cut. Actually, my profession is hairdresser and barber, so I can do the men's and ladies' hair. But for the YouTube, I'm the men's style YouTube creator. And the self-cut content just over 2 million views. By the way, this is the useful tutorial you need to watch.
Tip number 1. Tool, clipper or scissors?
I believe so many people used to confuse about it. Actually, they're both important.
What clipper do?
Hair clipper is define the length for the side and the back. You can control the length that you want, so you can define the length with the cutting guide. Sounds good, right? If you want to know more, I will tell you more information in the next tip. Damn, I love clipper so much, because for us, clipper is a good stuff for do any short haircut. Less mistake, high tempo, clean cutting. That's awesome. Wow, 好认真. And the high quality hair clipper can make the haircut so perfect. Just like me, just like me. Trust me, clipper is the best for the self-cut beginner. Nice and clean haircut. 靠死女.
What scissors do?
Scissors is define the length and create the texture. And I suggest you should use it for the top when you do the self-cut. First, you need cutting scissors. So what cutting scissors do? Trim the length, create the layers and the texture. By the way, you need the thinning scissors too. It is so useful for take the weight out, also maintain the length, and create the texture in the same time. So this is the usual work of my self-cut. 탄생이 없다, 탄생이 없다.
Tip 2. Body position.
Face to the mirror when you do self-cut. Hey man, the body position is really important. Attention, face to the mirror. Focus on your work. Make sure will not cut the wrong area. And easy to check the balance with the both sides.
Tip 3. Mirror reflection.
I know so many people they are worried to do the haircut for the back. So when you do the self-cut for the back, just get the second mirror. Then keep watching the second mirror when you do the back. So the first mirror will be behind you. You will see the back in the second mirror. Hey bro, this trick is so easy to follow. Just do it. Everything is under your control now. Actually, you can use the mirror reflection technique in the hairstyling. Yes, just like this.
Tip 4. Define the length.
You need those cutting guide to trim the length. But you know, different cutting guide means different length.
What you need to do?
I suggest you to decrease the cutting guide level, then do step by step. I would like to share my example so you will know what I mean. Different length, different results. Finally, thank you for watching these videos. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will answer your question in the next tutorial. Hey guys, have a nice day and stay away from the virus. Stay home.